We're Steve and Kathleen. We're cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. Greetings, everyone. What a year thanks to the Wuhan virus. We left Miami Everglades last March on schedule and jumped to Kerrville, Texas to ride out the virus. As the pandemic worsened, we started looking for property to purchase and eventually bought 8 acres just north of Ingram, Texas. Buying the property has been a major blessing for us. It provides home and a permanent base for medical care. It provides enjoyment of the great outdoors, from sitting on the porch and enjoying a perfect day to watching a near zoo of animals come through the property regularly, and even to eating our own harvest. I shot several deer last fall. The one place we did get to in the last year is Fun in the Sun RV Resort in San Benito, Texas. While we loved the park and the people at Miami Everglades, we did not like the Florida pricing. Fun and Sun in South Texas is owned by the same company, Encore, but has significantly more amenities at less than half the price of South Florida. Who can't love more for less? Our only concern was weather. On paper, South Texas looked a little cooler than South Florida. The reality is the weather is the same but distributed differently. The colder weather in South Texas comes in November and December, whereas the colder weather in South Florida comes in December and January. Fun and Sun is one of the larger RV resorts in South Texas and has been operating since the 1950s. As a result, it has amenities other RV resorts can only dream of, such as a Christmas train, a lighted golf cart parade, RC racetrack and races, a Christmas light show in Freedom Park, weekly concerts, do your own thing, basically a social group doing and sharing crafts while kibitzing, a chapel, not just pickleball, but indoor pickleball, a post office, a recreation center with restaurant, a stained glass shop, water volleyball. All of these activities and amenities are on top of the great people we met while wintering at Fun and Sun. We've said it before, but staying at an RV resort like Fun and Sun is like staying at an adult summer camp. With activities all day and every day, it's your own fault if you're bored here. Medical issues prompted us to leave early this year, but we will definitely return next November. For now, we're taking care of medical, planning our summer, and continuing our project list for our property. First is our garden. We live essentially on top of a 200-foot granite rock. Consequently, we will build a raised garden using our own bounty, rocks. We're collecting 3 to 4 cartloads of rocks daily and figure it'll take a couple weeks to collect all we need. Then we'll build the garden walls and start composting. The other 2 projects are a deer blind and game processing station. Each of these tools will make hunting our property even more enjoyable and convenient. Right now, we're looking at Utah for our summer. We really love Red Rock Country, and Utah has a large number of national parks, including 5 parks, 6 monuments, 1 recreation area, 4 historic trails, and 1 historic park. And again, that's just the national list. Utah also has 43 state parks. So stay tuned as we look forward to bringing you more travel videos soon.